This is Brez Scales, and you've probably seen his videos. You're wondering like, how is he making all that money?
Freelance brand scaling, boys. Freelance brand scaling bought us this year.
Well, he actually makes over $1 million per month with his personal brand, essentially posting videos online and selling courses and mentorships. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how he does that, how he makes over $1 million per month with his personal brand. I'm gonna show you the entire funnel behind that and how he runs this $1 million per month empire. And by the way, this video is not to bash anyone. This is just to show you exactly what he does and how he makes money, because most people are not gonna record videos like this, so let me do it. So with that being said, let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into the video. So here's exactly how Brez Scales makes over $1 million per month with his personal brand in just 3 simple steps. Let's start off with getting traffic and essentially views. Okay, so this is the entire funnel. It may look very, very complicated, but don't worry, I'm gonna simplify everything. And like I said, it's 3 simple steps. So let's start off with the traffic. Without traffic, nothing works, okay, because he needs the people, he needs the eyeballs, people entering his funnel. So here's how it essentially works. He posts short form content, long form content, and also he posts on Twitter every single day. So let's start off with the short form content. He essentially posts on TikTok and Instagram, and he has like other accounts, maybe clipping accounts, people clipping for him. But essentially with his TikTok and Instagram, the main goal of this is to go viral with flashy lifestyle content and get people in his funnel. Okay, so essentially get people right here. And the thing is, you've probably seen his videos. It's like, it really shows his personality. There's a lot of top of funnel content mainly. He doesn't really educate people with his short form content, but he posts lifestyle content, tries to go viral, and he really knows what he's doing. Like, he's going viral, etc., etc. And he gets like, he has 1 million followers in both his short form channels, his short form accounts, and essentially this shows his personality, his goofy side, and just shows lifestyle. And this is really good for his ideal customer, his ideal avatar, is because what is his ideal avatar? It's like a young person. He kind of relates to this content and he wants to get rich. That's his ICP, okay, if you know what that means, okay? But his long form content is what really makes the difference, right? So if you don't know what long form content is, it's like YouTube videos. Obviously, you know that. But the thing with that is that it really nurtures people. Okay, just by people watching his video, it already kind of moves them toward the sale without the viewers even knowing, because they invest a lot of time. And there's a study which it takes around 4 hours of, not 4 hours, sorry, 7 hours of content watch time for a person to trust for the viewer to trust the person he's watching, okay, and eventually buy from him. Okay, so Brez Scales has around 500,000 subscribers, 1K videos posted, and he posts like not every single week, but he used to post like every single week. And this is kind of the same as short form content. He posts a lot of lifestyle content, personality is shown, and he also has this second channel. He essentially pushes people from his main channel to his second channel, where he kind of educates more. It's more like more raw videos, also lifestyle content, and like more in-depth guidance in his second channel. And also, as you can see, this is very powerful. This is a BOF video, bottom of funnel video, showing client results. This is super crucial social proof. And as you can see, more raw lifestyle content, okay? And the goal of his long form content is to go viral with flashy lifestyle content and nurture people with his content, okay? And he also has a Twitter account. He posts every single day here. The goal of this is simple: get people to his YouTube so he can nurture them here. And that's a very smart strategy. I recommend everybody to push your short form people, your short form views and your Twitter views to your long form content, where the people get nurtured, okay? If you don't know what nurturing is, it's just getting your viewer closer to the sale, making them more warm and hot, ready to buy, okay? So his Twitter is just, the main goal is to push people to his YouTube. As you can see, here's the link for his YouTube channel. Okay, now as you see, this is his traffic mechanism. Okay, he gets traffic like this. He posts very consistently, and that's why he knows what he's doing. Okay, he knows his ideal avatar who he's posting to is a young person who wants to get rich, and he knows what he's doing, right? And now let's move on to the second step: views to leads. Time to get closer to the sale. And I know this looks very complicated, but it's actually very simple. I'm gonna simplify it. I'm gonna try and simplify it, okay? So He's really good at collecting interested leads because there's a problem. He shows people how to scale their freelance brand scaling. He invented that messaging, which is very good for marketing, that freelance brand scaling. What I've heard is actually just SMMA, but with a fancy word. Okay, so that's very smart. He knows what he's doing. He invented that word, I think. And there's also the desire and outcome. People want the Lamborghinis. They're young people watching his content, so obviously they want the freaking outcome. And also there's the relatability. Like I said, his ICP is young people watching his content. They're young, they want to get rich, and they're probably in college, and also Brez scale, like he's the age to be in college, etc., etc. Reasons to believe he's young, so why not his audience? And there's also the promise. He promises, he guarantees results, like in his landing pages, like join my mentorship, I promise I will get you results. I promise I will scale your brand. I've seen a bunch of his landing pages have that title. I think it's kind of risky because it's kind of sketchy as well, but there's also the legal problems for that. But regardless, he's making money, okay? And also people want what he has, right? Okay, from his short, let's start off with before I move on to the long form content, I'm gonna move on to the short form content. So essentially his Instagram has these links: free AI advertising course, and also apply me to scale your brand. This is a mentorship. This is what makes him the most money. And also there's the free AI advertising course. This is his lead magnet. This is how he collects the people, gets the email, gets the phone number, etc., etc. And the reason why this is super powerful, especially for Instagram and short form content, to have a lead magnet is because this people just watch 30 seconds of his videos. It's not going to do much. They're not going to immediately buy. So there's very important to have the link in the description where they actually can get the free resource to nurture them, right? Let's start out with this. So essentially it takes him to the landing page right here. Okay, this is the landing page. People watch the video right here, the VSL. Essentially what he says here is that you're gonna get the free resource, put your details here, and also within 5 minutes you're gonna receive a phone call and also an SMS, a message from the setter. And what the setter essentially does is that you get the phone call. I actually joined this just for this research video, okay? I received a phone call within 2 minutes. This gives a crazy advantage to Brez because most people don't do this, but this allows you to really get a grip of that lead, okay? And it's personalization. What the setter essentially said was, oh, here's what the resource does, here's what you can get from the course, and also if you're serious, you can join the mentorship, etc. Like very good marketing, and it personalizes everything, okay? And also naturally censors the email. So you join the email list, and as you can see, he posts almost every single day. This promotes his freaking mentorship and everything. This is just promoting, showing client results and all that good stuff. Very smart email marketing, okay? Gets people closer to the sale. And he also promotes live training, so webinars, where he makes a lot of money as well, because this allows you to get a grip of a lot of people and get them immediately book a call. Like immediately people will book a call or buy from him just from his webinars, and he launches this regularly. He has this email marketing strategy for his webinars. So when he's about to launch a webinar, he posts he sends 3 emails per day to push his webinar, and that way he gets the most leads to his webinar. But obviously when he's not launching anything, then he just posts regularly, like almost every single day, and keep the leads warm. He also sends people to his free Telegram, and this Telegram is very powerful for him to promote his webinars and programs, okay? He essentially just does that with the Telegram, as far as I've seen. Multiple ways of marketing deep inside the funnel, okay? And essentially the main goal is to push people to his coaching application, okay? Even with this, pushes people to his coaching application and apply now, etc., etc. Coaching application. This probably costs fucking 5-10K per client. Can go up to 25K depending on the budget of the client, the prospect. He also has a lot of case studies where he just pushes these out also with his marketing, which is very smart, good for social proof. And this is just super amazing. You should also post your testimonials, etc., etc. But as far as I've seen, he doesn't have that many testimonials shown. I know he has a lot of testimonials to show, but he doesn't show all of them, which is kind of, I would show all of them if I was him. But regardless, he makes money. Okay, what can I say? Let's move on to the long form content side of things. So every single time he posts a long form piece of content on YouTube, there's a bunch of links in the description. As you see, this is the same course as here, the free course, the free resource. Also, as I told you, he pushes people from his main channel to his second channel, which is this right here. So he kind of nurtures people more in here, get people really tap into his content, okay, nurture them. And also this is the mentorship. Okay, this is what makes him the money. So it's obviously smart to push your mentorship, get people straight to the mentorship from your YouTube, because people already are getting nurtured on his channel, right? Because YouTube does that naturally. Then also he has his second side income, okay, side monetization, a physical product. So people buy his trenches or whatever. So it's a physical product, okay? People eat it. And also there's the Telegram channel, my POV channel. So, oh, my bad guys. He has a third channel, POV channel, where he's like straight up raw content, POV, day in the life, whatever. Okay, TikTok, whatever, socials. Okay, and essentially the funnel from his long form content is kind of the same. It's pretty much almost the same as from his short form content, but the thing is, he can sell almost immediately. Like long form is easier to sell immediately because long form videos nurture. That's why I want you to post, like focus mainly on YouTube long form content. It's so freaking amazing. Okay, so amazing. 1 million short form views equals to 10,000 fucking long form views. I fucking kid you not, okay? Okay, I've made most of my money from long form content. And as you can see, this is the same resource from here, but essentially kind of the same funnel from his long form, but this just sells way more faster. All of this freaking funnel is to push everyone to here. This is the center, okay? Push people to the coaching application. Immediately when people join, they apply for they book a call, essentially. Every single lead after that is called in max 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, very good advantage for Brez. Again, this is like his super advantage. This is his superpower. His sellers, they do a great work. Okay, they immediately call their prospect, keep him warm, keep him like make him understand what's going on, etc., etc. And after booking a call for coaching, they make sure that they get the VSL watch. So they send him a new VSL, a new video sales letter, essentially like a video where he really explains what's going on with the coaching and what's going to happen after they book the call. So essentially they book a call for the program. VSL is sent via email and SMS, and there's the phone call as well. Essentially the closer and the setter create a group with the prospect. They remind him and make sure that the prospect understand that there's a call coming. Make sure to join, send him more value. Okay, so reminders 24 hours before, 6 hours before, 3 hours before, and 1 hour before, 5 minutes before the call. Okay, very important. This is what I recommend you to do as well. When people join, book a call, you should always dump a lot of value for them, and also send them like reminders. Remind, hey, join the call. They get a link to join the call. Okay, and here's what happens. This is what usually happens. Okay, they get cash collected. Brez just made 25K from one client, or 5K, or whatever the price is, maybe a lot, okay, maybe even more than this. But if he makes it, good, money, profit made, cash collected, money. Okay, but what if the client doesn't show up, the prospect doesn't show up for the call? Here's what happens. They get a 7-day follow-up, but let's say they join the call, but they don't close, they don't make the money, the sale is not done. Okay, he's like, I don't have the money or something like that. I cannot join. I need to talk to my wife, whatever. Here's what happens. They keep him warm. Okay, most people, again, they just dump him. They dump him. They're like, you're not qualified. Okay, banned from the email list or whatever. They actually keep them warm with free exclusive, everybody who don't actually get close, they get sent this free resource, but they still keep him warm. Also, what I would do right here, if the cash is not collected, I would have a second program that is like a lot cheaper. Let's say if the normal program is like 25K, the second program would be like 1K, or like a subscription based model, maybe $200 per month, $500 per month, and they get some results here, which obviously this should be also a valuable program. They actually can be converted and make sure that they buy this expensive program, the main program after that, because they're like, okay, this got me results, so let me get even more results with the main program. And this way the money is not being left on the table. But obviously he knows what he's doing. He's making a lot of fucking money. Like he makes over $1 million, probably at this point, probably 1.5 million per month. Now, if you learned and enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the other videos that are coming out. And also, if you want to learn, if you want to see more of these videos, comment down below and like the video. Okay, as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.